people take pain meds before they come to the office, because then I'll do an adjustment, and we don't know what's working.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That's a problem. That's a problem. You just take your right arm, come across your chest, right there. Hold right there. It's going to come underneath here. Just loosen up that lat.
Do you think I have tight shoulders?
Not really, actually. Not really. You're not as hunched over or as Sharad. You know.
Actually, I had a shoulder slap tear here on my right shoulder.
Mm-hmm. Did you really?
Oh yeah, 2 years ago. Yeah.
That was
because I was not benching the right way. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's bad. Slap tears are kind of nasty. You didn't have to go for surgery, did you?
No.
No? Good.
I had physical therapy for it.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
just let it be. And now I sound like a robot.
Good job, you on? Lean your head to the left. Good. Just going to stretch inside here. Nice. Look down, look down, look down. Good. You go a little deeper in here. Straight ahead. You take your left arm, come across here. Good. It's going to get right in that lat. Here we go. Get a little deeper in there. Mm-hmm. A little tight, a little tender in there.
On this shoulder, it just started. I don't know. Like sometimes I do feel pain when I pull it back.
Do you?
Oh my god.
You really feel that?
Yeah. Oh.
Those muscles are tight.
That's how I felt.
Those things are tight.
I felt that one.
Woo!
It does not feel good, to be honest.
No.
It's good afterwards.
Yeah, yeah. I'm at the after part, but I feel great.
This gun is powerful.
Pretty down.
That's it.
It's on a light setting.
It's on a light setting?
You hit to the right? Yeah, it's on a light setting.
That's a professional gun.
That's a light setting. That's fun. Good down. Good.
Yeah, it was on a light setting for sure.
Now it's on a heavier setting. I'm just trying to show you the difference.
Make sure he knows.
Goes even more than that. That's funny. That's funny.
That's a great gun, though.
That's a good gun.
Actually a great gun.
Yeah, it's a good gun. Alright. Good. Turn your head to the left a little bit. Good. It's coming right in here. Yeah, hold on. Good. Good. Turn your head to the right. Good. Just like that. Good. Look straight ahead. Just relax. Gonna open up your shoulders a little bit. Come right back here. Nice. Good. Let's take the other side, please. Same thing. Just come straight back. You still hitting that gym? Or no?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Yep.
Not at all.
Not at all?
No.
Okay. Yeah, that happens.
I'm trying to recover from this.
Is that right?
Yeah.
That's smart.
I'm thinking to start swimming and just do core workouts,
That's a good idea.
lower body, and try to run again.
That's a good idea. Well, I wouldn't start running.
No.
No, that would not be a good idea. I think you can do dead hangs, right? To kind of just a dead hang, hold on to the bar, and hang there for as long as you can, a minute or two.
Sure.
That'll actually just open up keep the range of motion inside your shoulder, right? Both sides, nice and even. And then I would probably do some hanging leg raises or knee ups to strengthen up your core.
Yep.
And then maybe, slowly, look straight ahead, slowly do body weight exercises, you know what I mean? And then eventually work your way into like doing some dumbbell work. That would be the best way to rehab yourself without injuring yourself. But you'd be surprised, you could even get a pretty good workout just dead hanging, holding onto the bar and just hanging, holding, I had a small shoulder injury and I started dead hanging a couple weeks ago. My shoulder feels great.
Interesting.
Look straight ahead. Good. You'll see a lot of physical therapists actually recommend that now. Just hanging out, just hanging on a bar. Put this arm to your side, like that, like that, like that. Let's see if we can push the elbow back. Pull the elbow. That was it. That was easy. So, Rowdy, see how that's supposed to work?
What was that?
Pull back, harder, a little more, a little more, and relax. Oh, we got the left side at least.
I heard it
Relax
pop,
in,
yeah.
Just let that drop nice and easy. Just let your arm drop. Just gonna kind of come in a little bit. Good. That's it. Check this side one more time. Just relax it, let it go. Good. Nice. That's the way it's supposed to go. Nice and easy. All right. Good. Right in the elbow. Good. Relax the wrist. Nice. And here.
I never
Something here.
cracked my knuckles.
You never do?
No.
Good. It's not a good habit. Most people don't do it the right way. They go against the joint and they end up injuring the joint. Right? Like, you know, people take their knuckles up. That, yeah, it's not a good thing. All right, bring your leg on that side and face this way. You can twist? You tell me.
In what context?
Just twisting.
Oh, yeah.
You sure?
This, yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool. Arm across the chest, other arm underneath. Bring this other arm underneath. And just hold right there for a second. Just going to twist left a little bit. You see how we're feeling inside. Twist left. Just want to see where we're tight. Right there. Breathe in very deep. Breathe all the way out. Turn left. Let it go. Good. That was easy. That was nice. Put this on top because that'll limit your movement. Hold on a second. Just turn right a little bit. Let me just see where we're tight. Hips are tight. Mid back here is tight. Breathe in. Breathe out. Rotate right. Good. That's it. That's it. Relax your arms. Relax your arms. Okay. All right. Next step. All right. Crush. Actually, last time you were inside this office, the last time you were in the office, you're in a great deal of pain?
I was in, yeah, that was.
Or was that the time before?
No,
Oh, no, you only came once.
I came once before, yeah.
Oh, that's when you
That
were-
was for me, before I just came with my dad.
Oh, that's what it was. Okay,
Yeah,
that's right.
I
That's
came
right.
with my dad, yeah.
So last time you were in here, you just, you know.
That was when it, like, the injury recently happened.
Okay.
Yeah.
You couldn't even walk.
I could barely walk.
I
yeah.
remember.
It was like 3 days fresh. Like, I came here because my dad was like, gotta go.
Gotta go to this guy. Gotta
Gotta go to Mr. Tirado, you know?
I forgot that. I
Yeah.
forgot how much pain you were in when you were
Yeah.
inside it last time.
And then, like, just a car ride here and back, it was like
Yeah.
bothering me. And overall, because I also, after 2 days, the third day or
Yeah.
so, I stopped taking my pain meds and I started doing icing and heating. I was inconsistent. So I just did that for the past 2 weeks, and that decreased the inflammation, which allowed me to do PT now.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Now I feel much better in the car coming here and
Yeah.
doing other things.
Because you're coming from far. You're coming from
Lake Pacon.
Lake Pacon, yeah.
Roxbury.
Like the way, yeah, where I live.
Yep.
I live past there.
Right by, yeah.
On the other side of the Dingman's Bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. So I drive 2 hours. Right. So let's cross your arms again. Here and here. Comes underneath, right? And your head's going to go down, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lean you back this time, right? I'll lean you back. And so when I
Put
lean,
my feet here?
no, please no, keep right there. Head's going to come down. When I lean you back, just make sure that you keep your head tucked, right? It's going to curve your body a little bit like that, make it a little, yeah. Let's try to go lower back first. So breathe in really deep. And breathe out. Let's lean back. Let's lean back if you can. Just going to like this. Good. Come back up. I'm going to go right in the middle now. Head back. Head down. Breathe in.
Head down?
Yep. Breathe in. Lean all the way back. Relax your shoulders. Come back up. That's it. That's it. Made that in my shop.
Ah, cool.
That's it. All right, come and lay face down on the table. Nice and easy.
Yeah, that one feels a little weird. I can imagine it does, but it feels weird.
Yeah, I know it feels a little weird. But it's either use that or crush my hands.
Oh yeah, and of course, that makes sense.
All right. Well, let's let's bring this up a little bit for your back. All right. How are you feeling?
Great.
Really? That's okay. Good. That's good to know. That's good to know. Good movement inside there. All right. So let's loosen you up a little bit. Just warm up your back.
That's good. Perfect.
Good. Good. This ball gets a little deeper. Just gonna go on the other side. Too much?
Well, yep, that was my spot.
Bad spot for you?
I felt the same thing. I felt that. Maybe the lower back definitely feel it.
Mm-hmm. Just breathe nice and easy. Just scream if you have to. It's usually easier for all of us. You know? Not a big deal. All right, this table's gonna drop. Okay. No problem with that? No problem with that?
Nope.
Good, good. There we go. There we go. Good, and relax. Nice, nice. Good. Just come on your side and face this doorway.
That doorway?
Yeah, please. Rest your
There's only one
head.
doorway.
There's only one doorway. Rest right there.
We're not going out the window.
Cool. All right, I'm gonna turn you a little bit, just like that. Rest your head. Now, just gonna bend this knee. Nice and easy. Just bend this one. Just the bottom goes nice and straight. Cool. Turn you a little bit. Rest your arms. Just relax, nice and easy. You're gonna feel like you're gonna fall, but you won't. Just let your hips fall forward. Can we do that?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit more. Hold on, hold on. That's pretty good. We're getting there. Just gonna bring it forward a little bit. You won't fall, I promise. Just want to get that joint inside there and just relax. Nice. 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 Yes, that's what we wanted. Let's go on the other side. I think you're getting that at PT.
Nope.
No. Rest your head right there. Just bend this. Good. Yeah. Come a little closer to the edge. Come closer this way. That's cool. Yeah. And just gonna turn you a little bit. Just like that. Just like that. Just relax. Let it just kind of fall forward. Yeah. Let the body just go. That's okay. It's kind of getting there slowly. Nice, nice. Just gonna bring it forward a little more. Good. There we go. Just relax. Lay on your back face up. Awesome. Awesome. Good. All right, keep your knees bent for a second. Just want to see how we're doing here. Bend here and here. Good. Just squeeze tight. Squeeze. There we go. Let it drop. Let it drop and just relax the leg. Nice. Good. You already did all your stretching, so let it drop down. Nice. Here, same thing.
Look at that.
Pretty good, man.
Look at that.
Pretty
Holy
good.
shit.
Not 90, but that's pretty good.
Progress.
Oh,
That's
no.
pretty good.
That I would have been in pain when you did that right at
That's true.
in the beginning.
That is very true.
Wow.
No, relax the leg. That's pretty good. No, relax, let it go. Good. There we go. Just let that drop, nice and easy, relax it. Pretty good, yeah. Very, very good. Just kind of let that drop, nice and easy. Yeah, just open up the joint a little bit, good. Good. Go back up. Awesome. Yeah, much improved. Definitely much improved. Good. Good. Just focus on your breathing, that's all. Good. Okay, so going to do one adjustment. You're going to just focus on the breathing the whole time. I'm just going to gently rotate. Then I'm going to lean to the left a little bit. That's it. I'm going to go all the way to the end inside here. Just let it go. Yikes.
Hello?
Yeah. Hello is right.
No.
How'd that feel?
It's
Yeah,
actually on the phone.
Yeah.
Oh wow. That felt great.
Awesome.
That felt great.
Yeah.
Feels so much loose,
This is
free.
Good. Take a little pressure off, huh?
Definitely takes care of it.
Good. Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Okay, we'll do just one more.
Yeah.
Close your eyes. Just focus on the breathing nice and easy. No, let me do the work. You do the work. Don't do it for me. I get paid to do this. And relax right there. Just even try to stretch. That's where you're locked up. Good. No, let it go. Try not to anticipate anything. Just gonna go all the way to the end inside here. Good. All right, let that go.
Whoa. Oh my lord. Oh my god. That's unbelievable. See, I don't. Wow.
You seeing all the colors?
I feel. Yeah, I definitely see the colors.
Yeah, bro.
A little brighter.
A little brighter?
I,
A little brighter?
Yeah, I think that.
after
Might
the
just
pulling
got a little
one,
brighter.
I felt that.
Yeah. Pretty big, right? You don't notice it until you get that pressure off the neck. Right? And all of a sudden it's like a different world. Right? People walking around in a fog. Awesome. Let's come and sit up nice and easy. Hold on.
Sir.
Lay on your side. Oh, easy. Put your legs on that side. On that side. Take a minute for a second. Take a minute. All right. Just gonna check inside here. You're a different man.
Oh yeah.
There we go. There we go.
Oh yeah.
Nice.